Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add port forwarding rules to TENDA router. To do this, first you will need to select the router that you want to configure, navigate to the settings, enter Advanced, Port Forwarding, and here click on Add a Rule. Then you can select device or a user that you want to add the port forwarding rule for. Click on the next and then enter your internal port, external port. You can also switch the protocol between TCP and UDP at the same time, only TCP or only UDP. And that would be all of the settings regarding it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.